Hi guys, you're welcome to class. And right now it is time to learn equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions means fractions having the same size or quantity. Meaning from the word equivalent means equal fractions. In equivalent fractions, the numerators and denominators of fractions may be different and still have the same value. Look at the examples here. 5 over 6 equals 15 over 18. This 5 over 6 is a fraction and 15 over 18 is a fraction too. But they have different numerators and different denominators, yet they have the same value. That's what it's saying. Another example of equivalent fraction, 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6 equals 6 over 9, etc. Now let's try this exercise for better understanding. Now the question says find the missing numbers, meaning the missing number that will make this fraction equivalent to this fraction. 16 over 20 equals 4 over dash. Let's go to the solution. But before we move on to the solution, you can see that the numerator is missing. Why in the second question the denominator is missing? So if you want to get the equivalent fraction of this, you look for the numbers that are complete. The one that it can be numerator, it can be the denominator. Here, the denominators are complete, but here, the numerators are complete. So you look for the ones that have a complete numbers. So here is the denominators that are complete. For that reason, I'll count the big denominator, which is 21, and divide by 7, which is the smaller denominator. Now, I've counted my 21 and I divided by 7 and the answer is 3. It will not stop there. I will now go back to the question. I'll look at the big denominator. I'll look at it. Is it written on the right hand side or on the left hand side? On the left hand side is before the equal to sign. Why on the right hand side is after the equal to sign? As you can see, the big denominator is after the equal to sign. That's right hand side. For that reason, the answer that I've gotten here, which is 3, I'll multiply it by 4. As I've explained earlier, I said I'll check if the big number, which is the big number, is on the right hand side or on the left hand side. If it's on the right hand side, the answer that I've gotten here, after dividing, I'll write it up, multiply by the numerator. But if it's not on the left hand side, if it's on the left hand side, I'm going to divide. So here, the big number is on the right hand side. For that, the answer that I've gotten here, I write it out, multiply by the numerator. So my answer is 12. So that's how I'm able to arrive at 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Now let's go to the second question. And for the second question, I'll look for the one that has the complete numbers. Here, it is the numerators that are complete. The denominators are not complete. For this reason, since the numerators are complete, I'll count 16 and divide by 4. So here, I've counted my 16 and divided by 4. So the answer I got is 4. It will not stop there. I will go back to the question and check. The big numerator which I use in dividing, is it written on the right hand side or on the left hand side? Just as I've explained earlier, that left hand side is before the equal to sign and right hand side is after the equal to sign. As you can see, it is written, the big number which I use to dividing by 4 is written on the left hand side. For that reason, I'm going to divide my answer with the answer that I've gotten here. That is, since the big number is written on the left hand side, the one that is having the missing number will be used to divide my answer that I've gotten here. So that will be 20, the denominator, divided by 4. The 4 that I got while dividing 16 by 4. And after dividing 20 by 4, my answer is 5. So this is how to solve equivalent fractions. If you find this video insightful, please follow my page, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.